How to use Lysol Clinging Gel. I'm going to show you how to use Lysol Clinging Gel. All right. So right here I have the fresh, long-lasting fragrance scent right here. And it says it kills up to 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. This is the forest rain scent. All right. So we're going to go ahead and use this. This is my toilet, if you can see this right here, that I'm going to be using the Lysol Fresh Clean Gel on, all right? And I'm going to be using it to clean and perhaps disinfect it, okay? All right, so here is the bottle right here. We'll get in close so we can go over the first part of the instructions right here. It says, flush toilet before cleaning, apply 4 ounces to coat the bowl under the rim. Do not close lid. 3, to clean, scrub entire bowl under rim thoroughly. Disinfect, let sit for 15 minutes, okay? To sanitize, just to sanitize, let it sit for 30 seconds, then flush. Then 4, rinse, brush in fresh water after use. So we're gonna get started with that. It says repeat as necessary, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna open this up, and you see on the side right here, it says to open the child-resistant cap, place fingers on marked ridges, cap ridges, squeeze cap firmly, and turn counterclockwise until it stops. Do not remove cap. To reseal, squeeze cap again and turn clockwise. Do not squeeze bottle while opening. Very important that you do not squeeze bottle while opening because you don't want to squirt this stuff everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit this on a flat surface to open it, okay? This is what the instructions say on the back. And then on here, you're going to take the knobs. You see this right here? There's like a little gridded part on either side where you can place a thumb on one side and the finger on the other one right here. All right, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to squeeze this and until it opens. Okay, it's open. Turned it counterclockwise to open it. And then I'm going to go ahead and lift up my toilet seat. All right, now I'm going to take this and get close. I'm not going to have it touch the bowl itself. And I'm going to squirt it around the rim like that. And you see it coated the inside of the rim right here. And it said to sanitize, wait 30 seconds after you put this on. And then for disinfect, 15 minutes. I'm going to go with the sanitized version of it. Before we get that going, I'm going to go ahead and shut it like it said. So I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and place it on one of the rigid areas right here. And then my finger on the other one right here. So thumb right here, finger right here. I'm going to take it, squeeze it, or not necessarily squeeze it on this one. And I'm just going to twist it clockwise until that nub pops up. You see that? It popped up, and then I can put this to the side. So we have the Lysol Cling Gel inside of the toilet right here. It is clinging to the toilet bowl. All right, so I have it in there. It's sanitizing right here. It's been almost 30 seconds, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So I'm just going to set this down right here. And I'm going to grab my bowl, scrub, brush, okay? So here it is right here. I'm just going to hold it so you can see this right here. I'm going to take my brush, and when I clean the toilet, what I do is, first, I like to get the little bit wet right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and scrub all underneath the rim like that. You see that? I'm scrubbing it. It has a nice, fresh forest rain scent to it. And I'm just going to scrub right here. Make sure you get underneath the toilet because you get a lot of splattering underneath that. So you see me scrubbing the toilet. Dip it back into the water. And keep on scrubbing. Keep it scrubbing. I like to scrub it really well because I like my toilet to be very clean. All right, so I have that. And then I get down in the water, the nitty gritty. Get down in there, scrub all in there. And so once I have that, scrub it, okay? Now remember to disinfect before you start scrubbing it, you let it go for 30 or 15 minutos, all right? But I'm just sanitizing, not disinfecting. So once I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and flush the toilet. And I keep the scrubber right here. Press that. And flush it. And you see, because it cleans so well, not all of it came off of the inner of the toilet, but it smells really nice, okay? So I'm gonna keep on scrubbing right here. All right, so once I have that there, I'm gonna go ahead and flush it again. Pull out this right here. It's important to rinse this in the water right here. So I actually do like several flushes in order to make sure that's clean. So that's clean right here. Tap off the brush right here and put it back. All right? And that is how you use Lysol Clinging Gel. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.